Wow, this is so stretchy. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are testing some slime recipes, and best part about them is they are no glue, so you won't need any glue or any activator. So let's start. So for our first slime recipe is like, which I've seen in many videos and which is very popular, which is like shampoo and salt slime. So here I'm using some Sunsilk shampoo. You can use any shampoo you have. So I'm just like not using too much, because if this recipe works, then I think I can use some more shampoo. But yeah, if it does not work, then yeah. So first we are just testing it, so we are adding just this much. So the next step was to add a pinch of salt, a pinch, I think this would be enough, and mix it. Okay. So this is ready, and now let's just keep this in the fridge for about 2 hours. If you like see the consistency, it like looks like it will turn into a slime. So let's just till the time, let's move on to the next slime recipe. So my next slime recipe is like a Dettol and Dettol soap and a salt slime. This is again in salt slime. So yeah, first you can add some Dettol soap in it. I know like in the camera it may be a little clear, but yet it's not that clear. Next is to mix this. I'm just making a little bit because again I'm not sure will this work or not. The next step is to add a kind of a pinch of salt. So, oh gosh, it's turning into a slime. Oh gosh, this is like super cool. I mean, it really looks it turned into a slime, but honestly it's also watery. So let's try putting a finger. It's a little non-sticky. But yeah, the next step is to put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes. So for our next slime recipe was like a jumbo slime, jiggly slime. So what I've just done is that added some water and your favorite color. You can add your any favorite. So here I'm like made it in a large quantity. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix this well. After mixing, add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix this again. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of any surf or detergent you prefer. Okay. So we're just gonna, there are some bubbles forming which are like nice, and if the bubbles aren't formed, then you can add a little more of detergent. So just simply keep this in the fridge for about 2 hours. But it actually said 2 days, but first we're going to check it in 2 hours only. Yes guys, so before moving on to the next slime recipe, I wanted to show you the Dettol slime. It has been 20 minutes since I kept this in the fridge, and we're going to keep this aside. Oh, let's just keep this aside and let's just try. Oh gosh. It's what? No, it's not water. It's like a real slime, but it's nothing that you can hold in your hands. Like, I think this was like a fail. So yeah, it's a fail. So our next slime was like, I feel like it was super cool, but only super cool if it works. So it was like a toothpaste slime, which is like most common, and I'm not going to use like too much. I think I added too much. So I'm taking simple basic Colgate, and you can take any one if you like. So we're going to add a little bit, again repeat, a little bit of water and mix this. So basically you have to mix this until it starts forming some bubbles and is almost like this. So next step is to add some salt. Now I'm adding a pinch. Remember, just a pinch is required, and just mix this. it's really turning into a slime. It's more like water. But yeah, let's share. Now you have to put this in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Also guys, before heading to the next video, I would like to share something with you guys. So this is my slime which I got, and at the end we are going to, I will just show you how this works. I mean, basically play with it at the end of the video. And also I've made a small video today only. I uploaded it. Make sure to watch it. So yeah, so we'll play this with this at the end of the video. So guys, this slime is our last slime for today. And yeah, don't worry, I'll make some more videos also. But this slime is an edible slime. I hope this really works. So I have taken a mug or a cup, anything which is microwave safe. So I am not allowed to use gas. That's why I can use microwave. Taking help of an adult actually. And now add some chocolates. And also guys, I am using these heart toffees. I was just left them. These were just the left out ones because yesterday was Christmas only. So we're just gonna melt this, and yeah. So I'm basically going to take this out. So guys, the chocolate is melted. It's just that you have to give it a little bit stir. And the next step is to add a little bit, again repeat, a little bit of cornstarch. I don't know. So I'm gonna mix this. I don't know. So you just keep adding until it's like little bit non-sticky. So guys, I just cleaned my hands right now, and we're gonna try putting this in our, guys, you can see this. First, is the most important thing. It's an edible slime, so we have to taste it. It's all very chocolatey, and the best part, I think I would require some more because it was a little sticky. Like this, you can make edible slime. I will give this recipe 100% right likes, and yeah, of course. So now it's the time to show you the slime, the shampoo slime, and the jiggly. So guys, as I expected, after 2 hours this didn't turn out, but actually I kept it for 2 days, and I made one already prepared, and you can't even touch it. Let me just say, it's water. All the the agents, the salt, the sugar, the detergent have just settled down. So I think I'll just give this recipe a big fail. So guys, this is the shampoo slime. Oh, it looks like a turn. Okay, let's just try. It's non-sticky. Oh, I mean, it's non-sticky. The salts made it non-sticky, but it isn't a slime. I'll just give this a 50% because like it turned non-sticky. Just it's not really playable. Yeah, a fail. So now we are going to play with our blue aqua slime. So guys, now it's the time to play with this aqua slime, and let me just open it. So it's crunchy. Gosh guys, it's too stretchy. It's crunchy. It has some foam beads in it. There's a lot of them left inside, but I'll just show of this much only. Enjoy the ASMR now. So guys, do you feel I missed something? If yes, then you were right. I missed showing you the Colgate slime. Well, it's like water, nothing changed. Here's the shampoo and the jumbo slime, which barely worked. Let's just focus on this. Oh gosh, it's just toothpaste. Fake, fake, fake.